Hello everyone, Dr. J here. Today I'm going to be talking about how to use your Aligna Sleep pillow. Now, this pillow has 4 layers to it, as you can see here. It does come with a cover, so it will be able to cover these 4 layers. Now, if you're a side sleeper, this is a perfect example of how to sleep on your side. You can see these 2 apexes in the pillow. The smaller one is for side sleeping. The taller one is for back sleeping. So if you're a back sleeper, turn the pillow the other way and use this to put right into the base of your neck. Now for side sleeping, you want that apex to go kind of in this bare area of the neck right here. So if you find that your neck is kinked forward, if you're a back sleeper like this, or if you're sleeping on your left side like this and your neck's kinked like this, that means the pillow's too high. So make sure if that pillow's too high that you remove one or both of the middle layers. Never remove the top or the bottom layer. Those are the support layers. Now, if you're sleeping, you typically want to be in that neutral position. So again, making sure that your head's not kinked forward like this. And if you're a side sleeper, your neck's not kinked up like this. Find that nice neutral position, almost like you're standing straight up. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.